up, you guys? This is your girl Yodi back with another video. The video today is about how do we do Vixen sewing on already used bundle. This client had this hair that she bought from Caper Enterprise for about a year, and so we're reusing this hair, and you can see the method that we're implying in the hair so that the client continues to use her hair whenever she needs. For those of you who don't know, Vixen sewing is basically part of the client's hair is going to be out. The client will be able to put the hair on a ponytail. The client will be able to, part the hair in certain ways, and so that allows a lot of diversity in the hair, and it has a lot of flexibility with her hair. So go ahead and continue watching. The method that I use is the flip over method because the client wants to continue using her hair. So instead of cutting the width all the time, I just do the flip over method. Just know that whenever you're doing the flip over method, you make sure that that part is as flat as possible. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, leave us a comment, also like this video, so turn on your notification bell for all of our new video to come. We post over here in this channel every single Wednesday. We are very happy to have you here with us. I'm done with the sewing part, as you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in any little spot that missing, any hair or needs to be added. I'm gonna go ahead and go through over the perimeter again, just to make sure that I fill it in, and until I feel like everything is really full and naturally placed, and before I actually blend the client's hair with the weave. Okay guys, all in. Now I am unbraiding her actual natural hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and begin the flat iron process, so I can go ahead and blend in her hair with the weave. I am passing the flat iron on her natural hair first, then after that I am going to take the weave little by little, by portions, while blending it with her hair. I use the white toothbrush because that brush is so good, so it actually helped the hair flow better. So I went ahead and flat ironed everything, but first I flat ironed her natural hair first, and then after that I flat ironed the weave. Then after that I'm gonna go ahead and blend it together, and yeah, so let's look forward for the final look. Stay tuned. Guys, this is it. This is the final look pretty much. Just need a little trim in the back, and as always, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment as you wish, and tune in for next Wednesday for another video just like that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.